Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about this stunning saree. The embroidery on this saree is so intricate and beautiful. This saree has a perfect blend of traditional and modern elements. As you can see, the fabric is silk, so smooth. The fabric is so soft and comfortable, perfect for long events. Let's review this. Honestly, I'm obsessed with this Saree's color and patterning. This saree makes me feel like $1,000,000. So elegant. My favorite thing about this saree is its versatility, perfect for any occasions. If we talk about its price, then it's very low. The price of this saree is 1,999 rupees only. Order now. That's it for today's video. Hope you love this saree as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion videos like this. Hit the like button if you want more saree reviews. Thanks for watching.